Hello everyone, this is Sabita Sunkara. Today's SQL interview question is, why is my query running slow and how can I optimize it? This is one of the most frequently asked SQL interview question for SQL developers, ETL developers, data engineers, database administrators. Let's understand it step by step. Suppose we have an employee table containing 10 million records and we execute the following query like select star from employees where employee name equal to John. So what happened here, the query is taking around 30 seconds. So the interview question is like, how would you optimize this query? So what happens internally? Most people think SQL Server directly finds John, but actually that's not what happens. Since there is no suitable index on employee's name, SQL Server perform a table scan. This means SQL starts from the first page, reads every row, checks employee name, then find matching records, return the result. So then for a table containing 10 million rows, what happened? Suppose we have, it will read every page, right? So this causes high CPU usage, high memory usage and slow response time. So that's why the query takes 30 seconds. So why select star is bad? Now let's discuss another problem. So select star from employees where employee equal to John. The star means return every column. Suppose the table contains so and so columns like employee name, salary, address, email, phone, joining date, department and many more columns. Even if only we need employee name and department, SQL still reads everything. So this creates more discretes, more CPU processing, more memory uses, more network traffic. So that's why better approach, instead of select star, we need to use which columns we want. That is select employee ID, employee name, department. So only fetch required columns. This improves performance significantly. The biggest optimization here is indexing. So create a non-cluster indexes. For that we have some syntaxes. You can see the index here. Now SQL Server creates a structure that helps locate employee name value quickly. Think of it like a book index. So without an index you read the entire book, right? With an index you jump directly to the particular page which you want. So table scan versus index seek, like before index SQL perform table scan. But so what happened? Read all 10 million rows. Execution time is 30 seconds. So after index SQL performs, so it will index seek. So then directly finds John name without scanning the entire table. So executing time is 100 million seconds. That is very less time. Huge improvement you can see. So for best practices for indexing, create index on columns frequently used in where clause, joins, order by, group by. So avoiding gender, status, low cardinality columns because they don't help much. So don't create too many indexes. Every insert, update and delete must maintain those indexes. So too many indexes can also cause slow down writes. I can tell optimization checklist like whenever a query is slow, check the following, like create proper indexes, that is index or the number one optimization technique. And second one is avoid select star. So only select required columns. So use proper filters, that is filter data as early as possible. Optimize joins, ensure join columns are indexed or not. So keep statistics updated. That is SQL Server uses statistics to use execution plans. So outdated statistics can cause poor performance. And also one more technique is avoid unnecessary sort and distinct columns. Like sorting large data sets is expensive, so use only when required. I can say if the interviewer asks how do you optimize your slow query, so mention these keywords like indexing, execution plan, statistics, avoid select star, table scan versus index seek, data value. So these keywords show practical SQL performance tuning experience, right? Hope you understand how SQL query optimization works. In real projects, most performance issues can be solved by proper indexing, writing efficient queries, and analyzing execution plans. So, thanks for watching. Subscribe for more SQL interview questions on real world SQL concepts. Thank you.